"3D printing is another tech wave that is happening. It's sweeping the world. The 3D printers today are toys. They're just for hobbyists. But 3D printing is evolving. They can now 3D print out of metal. They can 3D print out of wood. They can 3D print out of all sorts of new materials like fabrics. And what this is enabling people to do is create all sorts of things with 3D printing. The scary part is people are 3D printing guns now, even guns. And soon they will be 3D printing all sorts of things, machine parts for factories, shoes that we wear. New types of clothing are being 3D printed right now. They are 3D printing motorcycles, entire motorcycles that you can ride, 3D printed. They're 3D printing boats. They're 3D printing medical parts for surgeons. It is absolutely amazing. They are even now 3D printing food. You will be able to go into a restaurant and have your food 3D printed, whatever type of food you want. The menu could contain thousands of different dishes, and you could pick, I want this, I want that. You could go to a restaurant, or you could do it in your home. If you 3D print food in your home, you may never want to go out and eat again. 3D printing is really advancing. They have new 3D printers that are now printing human body parts. They have 3D printed an ear. Can you believe it? An ear out of tissue. They will soon be 3D printing organs, like a kidney, if you need your kidney replaced, or your heart. It will be crazy. Will they 3D print a brain? I don't think that will happen anytime soon, but you never know. So stay tuned and keep your eye on 3D printing.